Today we're looking at how to use reels to show off your workmanship. This is Hillside Leisure and they specialise in caravans, camper vans, that kind of thing. And they were actually at an event, so they were at the NEC caravan show, and they wanted to take advantage of that by really showing off, I guess, their workmanship. So they created this reel and I will show you it and then we can talk about it. So there you go. So what they've done is they've done a reel to give us a view of one of the VW camper vans that they've personally renovated. It's an amazing quality video. I think it really shows you, how gorgeous, a job they've done. And I think they've kept it really, really simple with simple music and very minimal talking through it. They've just talked about how everybody absolutely loves it, and then they've talked a little bit about some of it, but actually they really let the reel speak for themselves. I think what's interesting is they've done that as the reels. That's to kind of capture people's attention and draw people in. Then they've tagged in the NEC caravan show, so anybody, I guess, following that will suddenly again they might reshare that, and they might start getting engaged with other people who are at the caravan show, which is obviously what they'd want to do because of what they sell. And I think it's just a really good way of raising awareness of your products and through, I guess, your workmanship. And I think that's what the reel is all about. It's about their workmanship. Now, if I was these guys, one of the things I'd want to do is I would want to start engaging with as many caravan sites, caravan events, anything to do with camper vans, that kind of thing. So I would go on to engage in group, and then I would start adding in businesses here. So I'd start adding in caravan sites and any other ones, I guess, that I could think of that were to do with, my target audience. And what I would do is you click on it, and then what starts coming up is all of their content. So here it was ABC, so Monkey Tree Holiday Park. You could like that and you could comment on it. So then what that would do is anybody who's following that post, anyone who's gotten engaged in that post, the 47 people or 48 people even that have engaged, would then suddenly see the fact that, that my business has then commented on it, and then would be more likely to come back to them. And guess what? It's a great target audience because it's a captive audience because they're already engaged. And also it's the right audience who are going to be interested in the VW camper vans. Now, as always, if you've got any questions, click on the little blue button. We love to help.